Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the ASUS Vivobook S series, focusing on the S14 and S16 models. These laptops aim to strike a balance between sleek design, solid everyday performance, and portability. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, these machines are designed to fit into your daily routine without weighing you down. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore everything from build quality to battery life, and help you decide if one of these is the right choice for you. Starting with the design, the Vivobook S14 and S16 immediately stand out for their slim and modern look. Both models sport a metal top cover that feels sturdy and premium, while the base is mostly plastic to keep weight down. The chassis is thin and lightweight, making it easy to slip into a backpack or carry around campus or the office. The S14 tips the scale at around 3 pounds, while the S16 is only a bit heavier at about 4 pounds, considering its larger size. This difference is noticeable but not a deal-breaker for most people. ASUS offers several attractive color options for these laptops, from classic silver and elegant green to pastel shades, and even some limited-edition finishes. The S series lets you express a bit of personality without being too flashy. The overall look is clean, with subtle branding on the lid and a minimalist keyboard deck. The bezels around the display are slim on the sides and top, giving a modern look without distractions. When it comes to build quality, the S14 and S16 feel solid for the price. The metal lid resists fingerprints better than a plastic finish, and the keyboard deck is firm with minimal flex. The hinge mechanism is smooth and sturdy, allowing the screen to open up to around 140 degrees. This is useful for getting just the right angle whether you're working at a desk or on the go. The bottom panel is ventilated adequately to keep things cool, and it also allows relatively easy access for upgrades like RAM or storage if you want to tweak your machine later. Speaking of displays, both models feature high-quality IPS panels with full HD resolution. The S14 has a 14-inch screen with a 16:9 aspect ratio, while the S16 steps up to a 16-inch display with a slightly taller 16:10 aspect ratio. The taller screen on the S16 gives you extra vertical space, which is handy for browsing, document editing, or even light creative work. Both screens offer good brightness levels around 300 nits, which is enough for indoor use and most shaded outdoor environments. Colors look vibrant and natural, with decent coverage of the sRGB color gamut, making these laptops suitable for watching movies and editing photos casually. The viewing angles on both displays are wide, so colors don't wash out when you look from the side. The anti-glare matte finish helps reduce reflections and fingerprints, although it slightly softens the image compared to glossy screens. The refresh rate is the standard 60 Hz, which is fine for general use but not tailored for gaming or ultra-smooth animations. Under the hood, both the S14 and S16 come equipped with Intel's 13th generation Core processors, ranging from the efficient Core i5 up to the Core i7, depending on the configuration. For graphics, they rely on integrated Intel Iris Z, which offers decent performance for everyday tasks, video playback, and light photo or video editing. While these laptops aren't built for heavy gaming, they can handle casual titles or older games at modest settings. The combination of CPU and GPU ensures smooth multitasking whether you have multiple browser tabs, office apps, or streaming services running simultaneously. One highlight is the fast SSD storage options. Most models include NVMe PCIe SSDs starting at 256 GB or 512 GB, which provide quick boot times, fast file transfers, and overall snappy system responsiveness. Some configurations allow upgrades or additional storage, giving you flexibility as your needs grow. RAM starts at 8 GB, which is sufficient for most users, but higher-end versions offer 16 GB for smoother multitasking and future dash-proofing. When it comes to everyday performance, the Vivobook S14 and S16 are snappy and responsive. Launching apps, browsing the web, watching videos, and handling office tasks all feel smooth and lag-free. The laptops stay cool under typical workloads thanks to an efficient cooling system with dual fans and heat pipes. The fans remain mostly silent during light use and only ramp up under heavier tasks, but noise levels stay reasonable. The keyboard is comfortable to type on with well-spaced keys and a decent amount of travel. It has a soft tactile feedback that's not too loud or mushy, making it suitable for long typing sessions whether you're writing reports, coding, or chatting with friends. The keyboard is backlit with white lighting, which helps in low-light environments. The layout includes dedicated function keys for volume, brightness, and media control, plus a fingerprint sensor embedded in the power button for quick and secure login. The trackpad is large and responsive, with smooth pointer movement and support for Windows precision gestures like pinch to zoom, 3-finger swipe, and more. It feels accurate and works well with both fingertip taps and clicks, reducing the need for an external mouse for most users. Moving to software. The Vivobooks ship with Windows 11 Home, which is familiar and easy to use. ASUS adds a few helpful utilities such as MyASUS, which lets you monitor system health, update drivers, tweak power plans, and even connect your phone to the laptop wirelessly. The software experience is clean, with minimal bloatware, which means you get more storage space and better performance out of the box. Battery life on both models is impressive for their size. The S14 typically lasts around 8 to 10 hours on mixed usage like web browsing, document editing, and video playback. The larger S16, thanks to its bigger battery, can stretch this to 9 to 11 hours in similar scenarios. This means you can comfortably get through a full workday or school day without needing to plug in. Charging is done via USB-C with support for fast charging, so even a short break can top up the battery enough to keep going. This flexibility is especially useful if you're often on the move. Audio on the Vivobook S14 and S16 is decent for the category. The stereo speakers deliver clear sound suitable for video calls, casual music listening, and streaming. While the bass isn't deep, mids and highs are balanced, and vocals come through clearly. For better sound, you'll want to connect headphones or external speakers, which is easy thanks to a standard 3.5mm headphone jack and Bluetooth 5.0 support for wireless audio devices. Connectivity options are plentiful. You get multiple USB ports, including USB-C with DisplayPort support, USB-IA for older devices, HDMI for external monitors, and a microSD card reader. Wireless connectivity is handled by Wi-Fi 6, offering fast and stable internet speeds, and Bluetooth 5.0 for connecting peripherals like mice, keyboards, or earbuds. One of the biggest strengths of the Vivobook S14 and S16 is their balance between portability and productivity. The lightweight design means you're not weighed down, while the powerful Intel processors handle everyday tasks with ease. The extra screen space on the S16 is a bonus if you want more room for work or entertainment. But the S14 is a better fit if you want something truly compact. The pricing for both models is competitive, with the S14 generally starting a bit lower than the S16 due to size differences. Considering the hardware and features, they offer solid value for users who want a stylish, reliable laptop without paying premium prices for gaming or professional-grade devices. To sum up, the ASUS Vivobook S14 and S16 are excellent choices for anyone needing a well-rounded laptop for daily use. They offer solid build quality, sharp displays, smooth performance, and long battery life in a portable package. While they're not meant for heavy gaming or specialized creative work, they handle most common tasks with ease and look good doing it. Pros include lightweight design, vibrant displays, comfortable keyboards, and solid battery life. Cons would be the lack of discrete graphics for gaming, average speakers, and some plastic in the chassis, which slightly lowers the premium feel. Final verdict: if you want a dependable laptop that fits well in your backpack, handles work and entertainment smoothly, and looks good while doing it, the ASUS Vivobook S14 and S16 deliver all that and more. They're especially great for students, professionals, and casual users who want a balance of power, portability, and price. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the ASUS Vivobook S14 and S16, please hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell to stay up to date with all our latest tech reviews.